Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to run a JavaScript file in Visual Studio Code. At the very first step, you need to download some tool called Node.js. So just go to your browser and search for Node.js. The first site that comes up is nodejs.org. And as you can see, there are two versions, LTS and current, and my recommendation is to download the LTS version because it's more reliable and supported for a long time. So let's just click on this one and save it to your downloads, and perfect, download just started. Once download is complete, just go to your downloads and look for the Node.js file you just downloaded. Double click on it and hit run. Okay, wait for the window that says the installation just started. This one I mean. And okay, let's go through the installation procedure. First of all, hit next here. You have to accept all the terms and regulations and stuff. And here your computer is asking you where should I save this Node.js. I highly recommend not to change this path and leave it as default because this one is actually the most efficient one for your computer to access it later. So let's just hit next, leave this as default as well, hit next, and finally install, and wait for it until it's completely installed. Perfect, installation was successful. And let's just test if our computer recognizes Node.js. In order to do that, we can search for CMD in our apps or just use Windows R shortcut to open up our Windows command prompt. Okay, in our Windows command prompt, we need to type node space -v in order to find out what version is Node.js on our computer. And if it just recognizes the version, it will find Node.js in the future as well. Everything is perfect and we're good to go. Let's just go and test it on a VS Code environment. I need to create a JavaScript file. So let's go to new file, and here let's just name our file something, whatever you want. I want to call it test.js. I want to save it in this folder. Just select it and hit save. Okay, you can save it wherever you want, by the way. Here's my JavaScript file. Let's just code some JavaScript so we can test our Node.js in Visual Studio Code. Let's go with a very basic command, something like console.log, which prints something on the console in JavaScript. Hello world. Okay, perfect. Control S to save the changes, and then in order to run our JavaScript file using Node, just go to terminal at the top, and in the options choose new terminal and click on it, and as you can see, a new terminal window is open up. Okay, and make sure this path is where your file is located. It is really important. And to run your file, just type node space and the name of the file you just created and you want it to be run. And after you type this, you have to hit enter, and perfect. As you can see, our code is running. And okay, and let's just try some other thing. Let a be equal to 12. Console.log a is, and the variable. This one will just print the number of a on the console simply. And the same command again. Let's type node test.js. As you can see, our code is running perfectly.